What's up, guys? I am Jazzy Denise. This is JazzyDeniseTV. Welcome back to my channel today. So you guys, this video is going to be a little bit different. I'm basically going to show you guys what I like to eat during my week when I am basically at home cooking my own meals and I'm trying to eat mostly pescatarian. Let's jump right into these quick and easy meals.
Trying not to bend my feet, I'm tired of fighting.
First up, we have sushi. So I love a spicy roll. This one was a fresh salmon roll, which is my favorite. You usually see spicy tuna rolls, but I opted for salmon this time. I got this roll from my local grocery store, which was at Dipberg's. So I'm just going to go ahead and get my condiments together. I like to take my soy sauce and put it in a little dipping cup. And then I take the wasabi that they provide, about 1/4 to half the amount, depending on how spicy I want it that day. And I just mix it into the soy sauce until it's a nice, smooth consistency. Now I know ginger is usually used to basically clean your palate when you're eating sushi, but I am a person of flavor. I like flavor on everything, so I put the ginger pieces on top of the sushi that I'm going to get ready to eat. I was only eating half of this roll this day, so I only put it on 6 pieces. At the time I was drinking Red Bull, but I have not had a Red Bull in a long time. I'm trying to wean myself off of them, y'all. But here we go. I'm just going to go in for a taste if I can actually pick it up. And it's amazing. As always, I love sushi, so this is one of my go-to meals when I'm really trying to get deep into my pescatarian diet.
Voices in my head, baby, I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you.
Next up, I am about to make some shrimp etouffee that I had previously made for dinner the night before. So I have a lot of leftover rice and I have my leftover etouffee. So basically I'm just going to put it together in a bowl. We do use paper plates and paper bowls over here, okay, because who finna do all them dishes if they don't have to, okay? But basically you just put the rice in the bowl, you put the etouffee on top. If you've ever been to a Louisiana or Cajun style restaurant, you've probably had a dish like this or have had this dish before. I like to make it sometimes because it goes a long way. I can eat it for dinner for 2 nights or however have you. And yeah, just pop it in the microwave, put a napkin over it so there won't be any explosions in your microwave, and we're gonna heat it up and eat it. If you guys would like a recipe on this meal, let me know. I definitely will film it for you guys. I just had already previously cooked it and forgot to record it, but I did want to include it in this specific video for the topic. And there goes my dog, though, always big. Okay, y'all, so we are about to make something that is probably a staple in my weekly cooking habit. It is rice and eggs. Yes, rice and eggs. That's it. These are the seasonings I use: accent, seasoned salt, and pepper. I'm going to use the little bit of leftover rice I probably had from that etouffee earlier in the week. And I'm just going to fry it up, basically. I'm going to put it in my skillet. I'm going to fry it. And when I feel like it's cooked enough, heated through enough, basically, I'm going to add my egg and cook that up as well. Now, I know this isn't pescatarian, so to speak. It's not fish or shellfish, but it's not necessarily meat either, right? Yes, it's a chicken egg, but it's not meat. So this particular week I just was trying not to eat red meat, pork, or chicken, so to speak. So I just went with rice and eggs for my lunch that day.
Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over.
Season to your discretion, but I like to season my eggs and my rice in this dish. I just feel like I get better flavor when I do it that way. But like I said, season to your discretion, okay?
Now I got these voices in my head, baby, I can focus.
I like to scramble scramble the eggs until they're just almost completely set, and I do mean like just slightly underdone. And I'll just mix it in with the rice. You got to take the rice off before it gets too crunchy because it will get overcooked. And that's it. I just serve it up like that. Sometimes I eat it with syrup, sometimes I eat it plain just like this. So my next dish really isn't a dish. It's actually just a little snack that I like to pull out my freezer and warm up. These are shrimp spring rolls. I get them from the frozen section from my local Walmart, and I just pop them in the oven on 450 for about 10 minutes, and then they are good to go. They come with a little Thai chili sauce that I use sometimes I don't. But yeah, you guys, that's basically it. These were just 4 quick dishes that I like to make on a week when I'm trying to really go hard on my pescatarian eating. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like it. Go ahead and subscribe to Jazzy Denise TV because we are always lit over here on Jazzy Denise TV. Don't forget to be you, be beautiful. And until the next video, guys, I will see you later. And thanks for watching.